whatever. Commonwealth is worried about somebody with a sickness being exploited on the internet and selling a product. We don't care nothing. They don't care nothing about that at the end of the day. And whatever she said happened, that's not worried about none of that stuff. My stuff is in order. My stuff is in line. Continue to do whatever they want to do. Continue. The court, my lawyer said, and I'm out. Robert, I'll talk to you later. They can have it. But I won. Just know I won today. And I will go back every single time with my lawyer when I have to.
Wait,
I got every documentation stamped, sealed, and delivered. Every last one. So this is nothing fake.
Before you leave, because I know send me the rest of the stuff that you have. I know you have the documentation. What does the judge exactly say?
She was supposed to show up to court today.
Just a second, T.
She was supposed to show up to court today. I had the evidence. She wanted to see the stuff that I had, me and my lawyer. So I showed everything from her, from the T-shirts, from everything, from her website that she has put up on Instagram, everything. The video, they watched the video 5 different times. It is what it is. It is what it is. That doesn't even matter. That matters that somebody was on the internet, passed out. And then you put it on a T-shirt and sold it and got it on video saying you sell it, got the price up there.
Okay. First of all, can you mute her? Because her, whatever kind of car that they got her driving,
Okay.
sound kind of old.
Okay.
Mute her because that car sound kind of old.